Hey, bye, me here, and today, guess what day it is? It's bonfire night, yes, and oh look, okay, look at that, alright.
Holy crap, it's a fire!
Okay, so anyway, yeah, there's a giant fire in there, so it looks like we're on camping or something, I don't know, and yeah, and today on my vlog is to, I don't know, it's like a vlog, yeah, no updates or anything, just a bit vlog, and
Oh, I can say it finally. Ready?
oh, there's no boom in anything. When it booms, I say boom. Yeah, boom. All right. So anyway, and oh my gosh, this is. I think I know. It's like.
Oh my god, this is like. Holy crap, it's a fire!
All right. So anyway, so this is my vlog, guys, and thank you, Maggie. Have a great bonfire night.